Hi again, it's Tony, and today we're looking at bowl 2-in-1 with built-in lenor freshener with lavender and camomile. This does 75 washes, 100% recyclable box. Oh, it's great. But before we start on here, let's just check what's in it, guys. So let the camera focus in a minute. Alright, so you might want to pause this video and just check that that's good for your skin. Because I know I can't use this myself. I use the fairy stuff, and you get half the amount of fairy, but you know my skin just can't take it at all. So let's crack in. Let's open it up. Right. So the XXL pack. All right. So that's what it looks like. There's no scoop, but I'll show you anyway. It's fun. It's funny, isn't it? Right? You look at a box like that and you think, "Wow, it's going to be up to there." And in fact, you look down and you get disappointed. You go, "Ah, it's down there." How many times, guys, have we been disappointed? It's like an Easter egg, isn't it? All hollow and nothing, all box and no product. Anyway, that should last you and the family a while. I love the fact it's got lenor in it and lavender and chamomile. One to look out for, guys. This was priced at $9.99 at the B&M stores in the UK. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. 75 washes. It'll last me 100. Bye for now.